Welcome back, everyone, to Pontos Fathom Hobbies. This is episode 7 of Pontos Fathom Tabletop Miniature Makeover series. We are jumping back into the Conan by Monolith universe. We started out our first miniature makeover episode with Conan by Monolith, and we will go back to the Conan Kingpledge today. So I recently picked up a new box set of the original Conan by Monolith and the Conan Kickstarter, which was the Kingpledge. I did a part 1 and part 2 videos of those hitting the major components. These are kind of all of the ones that got partially painted, ran out of steam, Zenithal primed, hit some with metallics. Be using the reference cards here for the artwork guide. There's some great drawings on these. I'll also use some of the hard cards that come with the game that have all of the some really good images on them too. And then going through the miniatures one by one. Hey guys, let me know in the comments down below, would you like to see some more Conan by Monolith gameplay from the Kingpledge? I've got so many different games out there now that I'm looking to you guys to say, hey, what do you want to watch? We've got a Song of Ice and Fire backlog for some miniature painting, but I would like to get some new Thornwatch and some new Lannister minis I've got in the queue to paint. So you guys can chime in on those if you want to see those done. I've also got the newest Cthulhu Death May Die box sets. I want to do those painting and get that on the board as well. I'm going to probably do Cthulhu Death May Die by painting the minis that I play game by game. I won't be doing a huge batch with that, so you can look forward to painting videos and then spending a little bit more time on them because I won't be doing as many batches. But yeah, here's a batch paint today. Looking forward to getting these on the table, and let's jump into the painting. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I just did my first round of some painting. Let's take a quick flyover of the minis, and we'll get back into some more detailed painting on some of these other miniatures. going to go across some of these and hit all of the minis with some washes. And then I'm going to grab some more details and some highlights. So let's see how the minis come out. Get back into it. Yeah, I'm liking how this batch of minis is coming out. Lots of great details. Definitely miniature makeover is happening. I'm going to hit some of these bases, and then we'll take you out for some hero shots at the end. That's going to wrap it up for this edition of Miniature Makeover. We'll do a quick hero shot on the turntable. Guys, leave a comment below, like and subscribe on the channel. We're going to take you guys out with some hero shots. Before we do, quick word from our sponsor. Pontos Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. We've got a bookstore link down in the description. You can check out books like The Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, Decoding the Dragon Symbol in Myth and Occult Traditions. We've also got Genealogy of Cthulhu, The Necromancy of Nyarlathotep, and The Archaeology of Yog-Sothoth. All of those books are collected in the massive omnibus Catu Journals out of Lovecraft Providence, Pontos Fathom Omnibus Edition, collecting all 6 books by August Moldenhauer and Giuseppe Balsamo. We've also got William Mitchell's Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, and lastly, August Moldenhauer, Artificial Psychoanalysis of Desiring Machines. Go check out our podcast channel. We're starting a new series as well. We're proofreading some volumes. This is Malmaciel Newillin's Aim Aimless, Aim Vicious, Hope's Home and Hysteria's Heart, and Stubborn Devotions of Venting and Forgiving. This is a series based on Lovecraft's Dreamland series. Go check out the links below. You can also check out our channel for Song of Ice and Fire, gameplay, and miniature play. We're playing Tainted Grail, Red Death, Joan of Arc, Cthulhu Wars, Cthulhu Death May Die Season 3, and many other games. Conan by Monolith, War of the Rings. Go check it out. Thanks for supporting us. Bye-bye. So that's going to wrap it up for this episode of Miniature Makeovers. We've got a nice set of miniatures painted up, ready to get these on the board. Like and subscribe below. Ring the bell to get notified when we play our next Conan by Monolith game. And I'm going to take you guys out with some hero shots. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the end of the video. that's the end of this Miniature Makeovers episode. Thanks for making it to the end. Let us know in the comments what gameplay you'd like to see us do for Conan by Monolith, and we will see you in the next video. Take a look at these two right on the screen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.